Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we've got a highly anticipated review. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz van. This vehicle has been turning heads with its sleek design, luxurious features, and powerful performance. Let's dive right into what makes this van so special. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz van is built with elegance and practicality in mind. The sharp lines, chrome accents, and sophisticated grille make it stand out, while the size and build offer plenty of cargo space, making it perfect for both family trips and business use. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking it on a long haul, this van has the looks and functionality to back it up. Inside, the 2025 model continues the Mercedes-Benz tradition of luxury. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials like leather upholstery and soft touch surfaces. You get advanced climate control and a highly customizable seating arrangement, making long drives more comfortable than ever. It's easy to see that Mercedes-Benz has put a lot of thought into the comfort and convenience of this vehicle. When it comes to tech, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz van doesn't disappoint. It comes with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The touchscreen is intuitive, and the voice controls are quick to respond, making everything from navigation to entertainment a breeze. Plus, you'll get a variety of driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz van offers impressive performance. It's powered by a turbocharged engine that balances power and fuel efficiency. Whether you're carrying a full load or just cruising around, the driving experience is smooth, and the ride is quiet, even at highway speeds. Of course, safety is always a top priority with Mercedes-Benz, and this van is no exception. The 2025 model comes with a suite of safety features, such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a reinforced body structure designed to keep you and your passengers safe in any situation. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz van is on the higher end of the spectrum, but you're paying for a level of quality and luxury that's hard to match. It's ideal for those who need the space and functionality of a van, but don't want to compromise on comfort and style. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz van is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile, stylish, and comfortable vehicle. Whether you need it for business or family use, it offers everything you could ask for in a luxury van. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. For more automotive reviews, see you in the next video.